Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to add custom shields or badges to your GitHub repository. These are those cool little status tags you see on professional projects, so let's get right to it. First, you need to decide what kind of shield you want to display. The easiest and most popular way to get these is by going to a website called shields.io. When you open the site, you'll see a massive list of categories for things like build status, code coverage, social media links, and version numbers. You can either browse the categories or use a search bar at the top to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, once you find a shield you like, you can customize it. Click on the badge you want and a small menu will pop up, allowing you to change the label, the message, and even the color. If you want to make a completely custom badge from scratch, scroll down to the Your Badge section on the homepage, type in your own text and color hex codes, and hit the Make Badge button. Then, you need to get the code to put it on your GitHub page. Once your badge is generated, look for the Copy button or the drop-down menu and select the Markdown option. Markdown is the language GitHub uses for its documentation. Copy that small snippet of code to your clipboard. Finally, head back over to your GitHub repository and open your readme.md file. Click the pencil icon to edit the file and paste the markdown code you just copied exactly where you want the shield to appear, which is usually right at the top under your main project title. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Commit Changes. When your page reloads, you'll see your brand new shield proudly displayed on your project. And that's it. Your repository is now looking much more professional. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.